Moderna is suing Pfizer BioNTech over its COVID-19 vaccine. The drug company alleges Pfizer copied its mRNA technology, which was created years before the pandemic. The CBC's Hilary Johnstone has more on the lawsuit from Ottawa.
Moderna is seeking undetermined monetary damages after it says Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech copied some of the technology that went into these mRNA vaccines or messenger RNA vaccines. So there are two alleged infringements here, two alleged patent infringements. One involves that mRNA structure that Moderna says its scientists first began developing in 2010. The other alleged infringement involves the coding of a full-length spike protein that Moderna scientists say that they were developing to try and make a vaccine for MERS, the Middle East respiratory syndrome. It's a vaccine that never went to market, but what Moderna is saying is that that technology was what allowed Moderna to so quickly develop a vaccine to target the coronavirus. So back at the start of the pandemic, Moderna had said that it wasn't going to be enforcing its patents, it said, because it wanted other companies and even other countries, especially middle income and lower income countries, to try and develop their own technology as well. Of course, there was this global health crisis. But then in March of this year, so March of 2022, Moderna did say that it expected other companies to respect its intellectual property rights. So Moderna is saying that it's not going to seek damages for anything before March 8th of this year, but this lawsuit has now been filed in both a Massachusetts court and then a German court as well. And Moderna is a Massachusetts-based company. So like I say, unspecified, undetermined monetary damages here that the company is seeking. Also important to point out here, Arthi, that this year Moderna has brought in about $10.5 billion. Pfizer, meanwhile, has brought in $22 billion with regards to that COVID-19 vaccine.
So then, Hilary, how is Pfizer responding to this now?
So we do have a statement here from Pfizer that it has put out saying that it has not fully reviewed the complaint, but also saying that it's surprised by this litigation. So in full, the statement says, quote, "We are surprised by the litigation given that Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine was based on BioNTech's proprietary mRNA technology and developed by both BioNTech and Pfizer. We remain confident in our intellectual property, supporting the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, and will vigorously defend against the allegations of the lawsuit." Pfizer-BioNTech is facing a number of other lawsuits as well, and it has said in those cases as well that it plans to vigorously defend itself.